calibrate this. As you can see, there's a huge leakage of oil here. As you can see, yeah, leakage here. So, what could be the cause of this leakage? So check it out. What could be the cause of this leakage? Let's lose down the generator to see. So let's lose out the gen to see where the leakage is coming down from. Yeah, so let's lose the four surrounding bolts. Check it out. So to know exactly where the leakage is coming from. Wow. You can see. So we have to lose the flywheel. Yeah, we have to lose the flywheel. We have to use my leg to support that. Make it easier for me because it's very, very strong. This is the first time losing this generator. Yeah, so I have to lose it down. Yeah, put it aside. So we have to move this flywheel. So we have to make use of hammer. Yeah. To tap it. Yeah, actually make use of how to tap it so it can easily come outside. It can easily come outside, side by side. Wow, as you can see, the oil seal is already pulled out already. So this is the cause of the leakage of the oil. As you can see, yeah, the leakage is the cause. As you can see, it has pulled out by itself. So let's clean out the body of the generator. Yeah, let's clean out the body. Yeah, let's clean the body so it will be neat. Yeah, so let's do the cleaning here. Yeah, if you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. Yeah, and if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, do well to subscribe to our channel, share, like, and subscribe. So we clean the part of the where the leakage has split around. So clean it. So we've gotten a new oil seal. So we insert the new oil seal inside. Yeah, so you just have to tap it inside, side by side. It's very, very easy. Yeah, side by side. You can see how it's entering a little bit. It's entering small. So it's not necessary you put all the oil seal deeply inside. Yeah. It's not necessary you put it deeply inside so that the oil seal can last longer in it. So we are done putting the seal. So we clean it again. Make sure your job is neat. That is the evidence of a good job. Also, you can see this is a old oil seal. We're holding our other hand. So we put the flywheel inside. Yeah, to couple. Yeah, put the fan also. Yeah, the fan also. Yeah, put the fan also. I'll put the pulley. It's called a pulley. Yeah, put the pulley and we screw that. Screw that. So tighten it. Right about now, we tighten it. Make sure this thing is well tight. As you can see, when we were about to lose, you can see how tough it is for us to lose. So we have to tighten it very well. Very, very tight. Very, very well. You see, make sure it's well tight. Sure it's well tight. Yeah, nice one. So we insert the cover. Insert the cover in it. So insert the cover in it. So if you have any question, please do well to drop a comment below. So we tighten it. Yeah, tighten it, as you can see. Tighten it. If you have any question, please do well to drop a comment below. Make sure it's well tightened. Make sure it's well tightened. And so well tightened. So it's inside the tank rod, make sure it's tight. Screw the bolts, make sure it's well tight. Yeah, make sure the bolts are well tightened. Very well, it's very important. Yeah, very, very important. So if you have any question, please do well to drop a comment below. So we're gonna put on this thing right now to test the job we've just done here. As you can see, this is a converted LPG gas carburetor. So let's put it on to see how it goes. Right, on already. As you can see, on already.
I will do the man.